Guys, good morning. Nagluto lang ako ng almusal namin ng anak ko. Simpleng pancit lang. No more veggies, just only sardines. Yan lang. Natira namin last New Year. Basta may sibuyas at bawang mix na yan. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.